welcome back with another video, and today I'll be revamping a synthetic wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video.
Run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in, coming, fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Big glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, ho. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Dead glow.
And then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I'll wake the giants up again. Once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shot her my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want.
Whatever she want, take her on the hill to the wherever she want. Take a 50 clipping, doing shit is wrong. She the lumps of attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey, hey.